We're here today with man of the match, today's performance, Tajarie. First of all, congrats on being decided at sports
Thank
team
you.
league man of the match. How you feeling after today's performance?
Well, his performance was a bit, I make some errors and thing. And well, the team performance as well. The first half we didn't finish our chances, and coach said to us that we must finish it because if we don't finish, the opponent will hurt us. So just go in the half, prepare and come out back and do what we must do.
Coming to today's game, it was an elimination game. You guys had to win today to progress to the second round. What was the feeling coming into today's game? Were you under a lot of pressure?
Yes, we were under a lot of pressure from the coaching staff, managers, also players because they expect better from us. And the first leg was totally a miss as well, but I pull off a couple saves. But coach, like I say, we not score, so it no matter. So we just go back to the training ground, put in some work. We camp for almost 2 weeks straight, and come out here and you see the results.
Alright, so as you said, the first half, you guys didn't have the best first half. But you kept the team in the game in the first half. Winning you today's man of the match.
Yeah.
Um,
After.
yeah, you kept the team in the game, after the first half, giving them the chance. Speak to us about what went into your performance today.
Well, after some mistakes from the season start, I tried to build on my mistakes. You know, gave up like three soft goals, and I was literally on the bench. And I just try to keep focus, work, and have to come out and show it in a big game. So after those saves, I was like, yes, I'm where I'm at. But still, I have a little bit of things to fix up.
And when you guys finally scored, how are you feeling when the goal finally came and then when you guys went 2 and 3 goals ahead?
Well, the first goal, I eased the nerve because I was nervous. And then come out second half, score, ease it again, and then I see the third goal. I was like, we have this one because nothing can come back.
Quarterfinals. What can we expect from Tajarie and Hydel going forward?
Well, first of all, I'm going to talk about me. Expect much better, much better. I promise you that. And I promise even my coach and even my former coach. And the team just have to work, build with each other. Well, right now, we now go home. We just have to go back and camp. And because we know that we're going to get a tough group. And I even hear that we're going to get Jamaica College. So
Yeah.
we have to work towards that.
All right, good game again, and congrats on being to this moment.
All right, thank you very much.